monitoring group membership. The suggested resolution here, as we have discussed many times in the workshop, is that councillors would appear to be of the opinion that they want to worship the Mayor and all councillors for the remainder of the 2013 triennium. That Deputy Mayor Councillor Mike Downard will remain the chair of the PMG group, and that the updated terms of reference for the PMG be confirmed as detailed in the attached notes to the report by Democracy and Public Advocacy. So, anybody want to discuss on that, or else I will just call for a mover and good. Councillor Downard, second Councillor Johnson. All those in favour? Aye. Move. Thank you very much. Moving now to council engagement.